guys, in this video I'll show you how you can ping multiple devices using Excel. Ping command is a commonly used troubleshooting utility used to determine whether a remote host is active or inactive, the round trip delay in communication with the remote host, and the packet loss. So now let's look at how it works. The initiator device or the development device sends an echo request to the remote device. The ping is considered successful only if the remote device sends back an echo reply within the allotted time or the timeout period. Before going to the walkthrough, here is an example ping script. So basically, ping command requires only the host name or the host address. In Windows, the packet size, number of echo requests, and the timeout period have default values. Now I'll switch to Excel. So I've already created an Excel file and with two columns. One is the host IP address and the status. Now first, let us save this Excel file to a macro. Let me save as temp ping command, and make sure you select the macro variant XLSM. Okay, so now the next item which we need is a button to execute the ping command. So in order to do this, let me go to the developer tools here and insert and select the button. Okay, my Excel is in German, that's why all the weird namings here. So you should be also able to find the same menus in English too. So let me edit this name, just right click this and say edit text. And now let me define some IP address which I know they are accessible, and some IP address. Let us do for one device first, one remote device first. Okay. So let's test now whether we have any ping activity, or let's just make sure to save your file interval at regular intervals. So let's see. Yep, there is connectivity. If I say any other device which is not available, I go for some time. Yeah, there's no connection. So, but execute the command. We have here our completed list, so I just execute the command. Yep. So I just type here, I don't know, maybe google.com, and then type again the execute ping. When I executed the ping, all even the empty spaces are getting recognized, and it's returning offline status. I, for one, don't like to see if there is no host IP address or host name entered. So what I'm going to do is just introduce an if statement just right below the host IP. Only if you have the value here in this column, then execute my script. Otherwise, don't execute. Okay, let's check again. Yep, now it looks good. Yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.